Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Ryzen 7. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5 is the perfect mid-range gaming laptop. With leading RTX 4070 gaming performance, excellent productivity scores, a perfectly balanced keyboard, sturdy exterior and solid speakers at a surprisingly low cost. Pros: exceptional performance, decent color and brightness, sturdy chassis and hinge, perfect keyboard, highly affordable. Power adapter 300-watt slim tip, 3-pin. Processor AMD Ryzen 7-7745HX. Storage 1TB SSD M.2 NVMe. Memory 16GB DDR5. 5200 MHz. Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. 8GB GDDR6. Boost clock 2175 MHz. TGP 140W. Display 16 inches WQXGA, 2560x1600, IPS 500 nits anti-glare, 100% sRGB, 240 Hz, display HDR 400, Dolby Vision, FreeSync, low blue light, high gaming performance display. Despite all those cooling vents, the system manages to find plenty of room for ports. There's one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port on each side, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port on the left, and an audio jack near the webcam privacy shutter switch on the right. Most of the ports are around back, where you'll find another USB-C and another two USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 monitor port, a gigabit Ethernet jack, and a DC power connector. The Legion Pro 5 is equipped with the Legion TrueStrike gaming keyboard for gamers who demand precision controls. Customize your gameplay to suit your style with next-level customizations and fully optimized controls. The keyboard features full-sized arrow and number pad keys, and a large Mylar touchpad to bring you to gaming dominance. Unleash unrivaled power with the Legion Pro 5 laptop and its massive 80 watt-hours battery. Play, work and stream all day with confidence, and never be tethered to a power outlet again. Super rapid charge technology ensures your battery recharges in minutes with optional 140W USB-C charger. The smart battery feature uses machine learning to preserve the battery's capacity and reduce deterioration, extending the battery life and maximizing your laptop's lifetime. Step up your gaming game with Legion Cold Front 5.0, featuring advanced thermal technology for optimal cooling. With phase-change thermal compounds and a cutting-edge fan system, complete with 3D fan blades, the Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 laptop runs smoother than ever. The massive hybrid heat pipe intake and exhaust systems provide intense thermal efficiency and performance for even the most demanding games and software. With 200W of total power, this device delivers real performance for the ultimate gaming experience. Audio chip high definition, HD, audio, Realtek ALC3306 codec. Speakers stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Nahimic audio. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6E, 11AX 2x2 plus BT 5.1. Elevate your gaming experience with Nahimic by SteelSeries, designed specifically for gamers. Enjoy unparalleled immersive 3D audio and crystal clear communication with your teammates. With the ability to mix and share audio streaming like a pro, Nahimic allows you to immerse yourself in your games and truly live them fully.